You just made us stop. What's your name?
I don't know. Bye-bye.
Say hi first of all. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? What's your
Nothing.
name? What? What's your name?
Lady Gaga.
What's your real name? Not Lady Gaga.
Why is it turning?
What's your name? You're not going to sleep. You're going to sleep with Grandma
Hello.
tonight, not me.
Hello.
Fine, you're not sleeping with me.
Hello.
What's your name?
Alexis Moe Robertson.
What's your favorite color?
Green and purple.
Who's your boyfriend?
Justin.
Justin who?
Dustin at the neighbors.
Oh, I thought you said Dustin?
Dustin.
I thought your boyfriend was Justin.
Give me that phone. No.
You're not going to sleep with me.
Fine, I don't want to sleep with you.
Fine, you're not sleeping with me at all. I get this whole bed to myself.
I'm going to have to sneak you out.
You're not going to sneak in. No, you're not.
Yeah?
No?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm going back in the video.
We're going to watch a movie in my room. We're going to watch Cat in the Hat.
Again?
Okay, I don't know. Pick a movie. Lexi, don't leave me. Lexi. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Ouch.
That's my purse. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. I want this TV off for a second.
Hold on. I'm trying to turn this off. How do you turn this off? Oh my God!